It's a bright and beautiful morning in Chardon, and I just wanted to show you guys the next 5 days or so, the forecasts. Right here this afternoon, we have a little storm system that's going to be become a little monster along the New England coast later today. But for right now, those of you seeing a little spot of snow, perhaps in Odessa, Delaware, or just north and west of Philly, don't expect a whole lot, maybe 2, 3, 4 inches in spots. But up here along the New England coast, and this is going to be mainly a New England coastal snowstorm, there will be some areas such as Cape Cod and down east of Maine that could see foot plus amounts with blizzard conditions at times, especially tonight. This is, by the way, the GFS model from midnight last night that I'm using to depict the weather. And right here we have a little small system scooting across northern Ohio into parts of Pennsylvania. It's not going to present too much of a problem, maybe an inch or so in spots, but most areas will see less than half an inch, and just enough to cover the ground and cause a little bit of mayhem on the roads. Don't take much this time of year to cause trouble, as we saw yesterday in Pennsylvania. Monday, it's a day to relax, take it easy. It's going to be chilly up and down the mid-Atlantic to into Ohio, and our next eyes focus on this little storm system out here. You got a combination of Texas Panhandle low, adding a little bit of oomph to the system, and we got a little clipper coming through that are going to merge and produce a little more generous system across northern Ohio into northern PA for the most part. It might even clip Philly and northern Delaware with some snow, but it's not going to be a prodigious snowmaker as far as some of these past clippers, like this monster right up here that's clobbering parts of eastern Canada at this time. But this system right here, as it merges out, I'll show you the next time frame. This would be for Tuesday. And this right here is Tuesday afternoon, and as you can see, we have a storm system that's down through here with snow mix and rain to the south. And I think our good friends in Cincinnati will be getting rain in a mix, whereas people from central Ohio on north will primarily be seeing a snow event, and it could very well be enough to shovel 2 to 4, perhaps 5 in spots. This is going to head east, and it could give a period of snow even as far south as Odessa, Delaware. And it won't be a big, huge storm, but it'll be more snow to continue with the winter onslaught. And just to remind people that despite what they may have heard, winter is far from being over. Wednesday afternoon, and everything settled down, and people are finishing the clearing the snow and the ice from their driveways, as temperatures for the most part will be into the 40s, especially in the mid-Atlantic region right here in New Jersey and eastern PA down through Delaware and Maryland and Virginia. And it might even be at 50 by then in Lynchburg, Virginia. On Thursday, we're continuing the warm spell as temperatures could be well into the 50s, perhaps even as far north as Cleveland, Ohio. But it's going to, right here we have a storm system, and this one's going to be a rainmaker. It could very well be rain all the way up into southern New England with this next system. And with the rains coming and the warm air and rivers being clogged with ice, there could be some serious troubles in some spots. That's something to monitor. Thank you so much for joining me from the Chardon Weather Center.